Hi guys, welcome to Sabondi Academy. So in today's video, we'll be solving the question 7, the 2019 WASSCE Core Maths Theory questions. So let's take question 7a. Copy and complete the table of values for y is equal to 5 sin x plus 9 cos x for x between 0 and 150. B. Using a scale of 2 centimeters to 30 degrees on the x-axis and 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y-axis, draw the graph of y is equal to 5 sin x plus 9 cos x for x between 0 and 150. C. Use the graph to solve the equations I. 5 sin x plus 9 cos x is equal to 0. I. 5 sin x plus 9 cos x is equal to 2. D. Using the graph, find the value of y when x is 45. So let's begin with the solution for question 7. So question 7a, we are to copy and complete the table for y is equal to 5 sin x plus 9 cos x. So y is equal to 5 sin x plus 9 cos x. So we have our x and our y, 0, 30 degree to 150 degree. And our y we have 10.8 and negative 0.2. 10.3, negative 0.2. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 sin 0 plus 9 cos 0. And this is equal to 9.0. When x is equal to 60, our y will be equal to 5 sin 60 plus 9 cos 60. And this is equal to 8.8. So we do same for the rest of the values of x. So we should have 5.0 when x is 90 and negative 5.3 when x is 150. So 7b, using a scale of 2 centimeters to 30 degrees on the x-axis and 2 centimeters to 20 units and 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y-axis, draw the graph of y is equal to 5 sin x plus 9 cos x for x between 0 and 150. So we have our y-axis and our x-axis. So we use 2 centimeters to 30 degrees. So we have 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 150. And 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y-axis. So we have 2, 4, minus 10 on the y-axis. So we know that when x is 0, y is 9. So 0, 9 will be here. When x is 30, y is 10.3. So this will be here. When x is 60, y is 8.8. So 8.8 will be here. When x is 90, y is 5. So 95 will be here. When x is 120, y is negative 0.2. So negative 0.2 will be here. And finally, when x is 150, y will be negative 5.3. So 150 negative 5.3 will be here. So when we connect the points, we should get a curve which looks like this. So this brings us to the end of question 7bii. So question 7c. Use the graph to solve the equation I. 5 sine x plus 9 cos x is equal to 0. So Ci, we have 5 sine x plus 9 cos x is equal to 0. But we know that 5 sine x plus 9 cos x is y. So y will be equal to 0. So when y is equal to 0, our x should be somewhere here. So x will be 119. So our x will be equal to 119 degree. Cii. Use the graph to solve 5 sine x plus 9 cos x is equal to 2. So 5 sine x plus 9 cos x is equal to 2. But 5 sine x plus 9 cos x is y. So y is equal to 2. So we make a line from y is equal to 2 to touch the curve. And it touches the curve at x is equal to 110. So when y is equal to 2, x is equal to 110 degrees. So moving on to question 7d. It says, using the graph, find the value of y when x is equal to 45 degrees. So 45 degrees will be here. So we draw the line. We draw a line from x is equal to 45 to touch the curve. And it touches the curve at y is equal to 10. So D. When x is equal to 45 degrees, our y will be equal to 10. So this brings us to the end of question 7. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. So we'll be moving on to the question 8 of the 2019 Core Maths WASSCE theory questions. Thank you.